thinking I'm gonna make one of these because I'm craving them. So let's come with me to make it. Okay, first things first. Let's turn this on. We have our water. We're gonna let it boil. We're gonna let it boil a little bit and then we'll add the noodles. Okay, so the water is boiling. Actually, let me bring you guys over here. I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, so the noodles are done. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. So I like to leave a little bit of the juice. Okay, that's good. Add the sauce. I don't like adding all of it. And our cheese and seasoning. Let's see. And that's how it looks. Let's taste it. So yummy. I added a lot of chili though, but it's still good. If you haven't had it, you have to. My favorite one is the pink one now. It used to be the